So I'm Norman Kirby. I'm the Director of Marketing for US LED. Today we're at BOMA 2025 International Expo. Get a chance to interact and network with a variety of commercial real estate professionals here in Boston, Massachusetts.
We're here at BOMA representing an LED lighting manufacturing and retrofit option for all of the property managers to incorporate it into their building solutions.
As a lighting manufacturer with a full service approach, we can create a unique relationship as a partner to really assess what they need for their properties and get them the exact solutions they've been looking for and find it with us.
We ended up making a good connection with Hines Properties, a location in Durham, North Carolina, and that sparked a big retrofit project in their 12-story building. And so this year we are able to actually do a presentation of the project.
And Hawk Plaza is a 325,000 square foot building, 13 levels, and it was built in 2003. It's a beautifully placed building right across from Duke University and Duke Hospital. We just recently completed a great retrofit project with US LED, who has been a terrific partner to do a full building conversion to LED.
For most commercial real estate professionals, we understand the burden it is to have to manage a bunch of vendors. For US LED, we want to be able to remove that burden when it comes to lighting. So if you're sitting there wondering, how do I get started? Reach out to us. We'll help you take you through the entire process, from understanding what a solution would be to the final process of installation. You'll learn and understand why we're always the right choice.